Alright, what's going on, my fellow filmmakers and content creators? TH here, and I'm so excited because this is my first Davinci Resolve tutorial, and today we're going to crack open the treasure chest of best 4K export settings in Davinci Resolve. It is time to unleash your creation in glorious 4K resolution. I'm going to show you my export settings to get the best possible quality on YouTube. So let's assume that you finished your editing, and what you want to do next is go to the Deliver tab. For that, click on this rocket icon in here. So up here you can see a lot of presets. There is even YouTube preset, but I don't recommend you to use it because there is no control over the quality, and we want to control the quality of our export. So for that, go to the custom export. In here you can choose the file name, the location, and click on the single clip. So basically we want this to be a single clip, and format, choose MP4, codec H.264 if your computer is a bit older, H.265 if it's a newer and if it can handle H.265. Basically this is a newer codec and it will produce files with greater quality with reduced file size. Encoder, we don't touch this, leave it on auto. Resolution, make sure that this is set to 4K resolution. Frame rate, make sure that this is the frame rate that you used for your videos. So mine is 23.976. It's okay, I'm not going to touch anything. And now restrict. So by default it's set to automatic, but I'm restricting the quality always to 80,000 kilobits per second, and basically this is overkill, guys, but I don't mind it. So it's a bit bigger file size. If you feel like it's a bigger, go with the 60,000, but I'm using the 80,000 kilobits per second. Encoding, don't touch anything there. Rate control, you can choose constant bitrate in here, and basically you are ready to press add to render queue, and it will ask like where you want to save your file, because obviously I didn't actually mention where I want to save my file, and by default desktop projects, I'm okay with that. And now you're ready to render your masterpiece. So now you know how to get the best possible quality on YouTube for your content. Let me know what you want to see next, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome.